How to download and get new text fonts on InShot app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so easy and simple. Go to InShot. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now go down here and click on see all in the material, and go down here again, click on this T icon, it's called text. Now as you can see, you have new texts that you can download for free. There is a lot of options, as you can see: handwriting, fancy, typewriter. Choose the one that you want and click on it here and it will be downloaded. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.